friends, welcome to all. Today we are taking the new topic time and distance, and in this topic we can say if a man covers some distance it takes some time, and the ratio between the distance and the time is called the speed. We can write like this, that speed is equal to distance over time. If the distance is in kilometer, time is in hours, then the units of speed will be kilometer per hour, and we can write this like this: s is equal to distance over time. And from this we can write two another formulas. First, d is equal to st. Second, t is equal to d by s. Now this is the main formula, and it is clear from this formula that s is directly proportional to d and it is inversely proportional to t. It means if s increases, d increases; s decreases, d decreases; and if s increases, t decreases; if s decreases, t increases. Now the units of speed are these. Now we can also convert the units kilometer per hour to meter per second by multiplying this 5 by 18. And if we have to convert the speed from meter per second to kilometer per hour, then we have to multiply this by 18 by 5. Now here we take some examples. For example, a man covers distance of 36 kilometer in 3 hours. Find the speed of the man. Speed of the man. What is speed? It is equal to distance over time. Distance is 36, time is 3, then the speed, it will be equal to 12 kilometer per hour. It can also be converted into meter per second. Multiplying this by 5 by 18, we can convert this into meter per second. 6 into 2, 6 into 3, 10 over 3, 313. This is meter per second. It will be the speed. And here we take another example, that if a man's speed is 12 kilometer per hour, he covers a distance 36 kilometer. What time will he take? Kilometer. What time will he take? How much time will he take? Now here speed is given, distance is given, we can find time. Time is equal to d by s. d by s means distance by s speed. This is equal to 3 kilometer. This is equal to 3 hours. The time is 3 hours. Now we take another question. Friends, in this question, a man covers 2/5 of the total journey by bus and 9/20 of the total journey by train, and the rest of 10 kilometers journey by foot. And we have to find the total journey. Let me take here, yes, we take, let total journey, it is equal to x kilometer. Now on foot 2 over 15x plus on train 9 by 20x plus on foot this, it must be equal to this. This is the journey on by bus, this is the journey by train, this is the journey on foot, and total journey it will be equal to x. On solving here we will get x is equal to 24 kilometer. This is the question. Now we take another question. In this question, a man travels from P to Q at the speed of 15 km per hour and back Q to P at the speed of 10 km per hour, and we have to find the average speed. Here we can say that what is the time taken, time from P to Q. If distance, if let distance is equal to P to Q or Q to P, the same distance, it is equal to, let it is equal to x kilometer. Now what is the time taken? Now time is equal to distance over speed. Distance over speed. Distance x, speed 15. This is the time taken from P to Q. Now time taken from Q to P, it is equal to distance same and over speed 10 km. This is the time taken for back journey. Now we can solve the time taken for total time. It will be equal to x by 15 plus x by 10. This is the total time, and it will be equal to x by 6 hours. Total distance हमारे पास, what is the total distance? X and x, it is equal to 2x. This is x and again this is x, it is equal to 2x. Now speed, we have to find speed. Speed is equal to distance over time. Distance over time, time is equal to x by 6, and this will be equal to 12 kilometer per hour. This is the average speed of the man. Now we take another question. In this question, two men from the same point walk at a speed of 4 km and 4.5 km per hour. What time will they take when they 17 km apart? Then first walk in the same direction, in the opposite direction, and second they walk in the same direction. Here at first we can see that when they walk in the opposite direction, the distance in 1 km they apart after 1 hour, a distance 1 hour, this is the speed of the first, speed of the second. 1 hour, in 1 hour a covered distance 4 km, and this person in 1 hour a covered distance of 4.5 km, and they are in the opposite direction. This person covered distance of, in this direction, first person. This is the second person covered distance of 4.5 km, and in 1 hour the total distance in 1 hour, it will be equal to this plus this, it is equal to 8.6 8.5 kilometer in 1 hour. 8.5 kilometer in 1 hour, and they are apart at a distance of 70 kilometer. It means the time taken to apart 17 kilometer, it will is equal to 2 hours. 8.5 kilometer is equal to 1 hour, and 17 kilometer it will be equal to 2 hours. Now if they move in the same direction, this is the first person moving with 4 kilometer, this is the second person moving with first person, second person moving 4.5 kilometer in 1 hour. It means in 1 hour, same direction, this is the first case, this is the second case. In 1 hour, they will be apart at a distance of, they apart at a distance of this minus this. It means this distance they will be apart, and it will be equal to this minus this is equal to this kilometer. In 1 hour, they were apart at a distance of this kilometer, 0.5 kilometer. Now 0.5 kilometer equal to 1 hour. Therefore, 17 kilometer it will be equal to 34 hours. 34 hours. 1 hour is equal to 0.5 kilometer. Therefore, 17 kilometer it will be equal to 34 hours. Now we take the last question. Now, this is the last question, question number 6. Two men start from the same point at the speed of 4 km per hour and 4.5 km per hour respectively. How many kilometers they apart after 3.5 hours when they walk first in the same, but in the opposite direction, and second in the same direction? Now it is clear that they apart when opposite they apart at a distance of apart in 1 hour. In 1 hour is 4 plus 4.5 is equal to 8.5 kilometers. Similarly, in the last question, they apart in 1 hour at distance of this. Similarly, in this case, this is 4.5, second person, first person, 4 kilometer. In 1 hour 4 kilometer, 1 hour and 4.5 kilometer, and the total distance in 1 hour it will be equal to 8.5 kilometers. Now we have total distance, this 8.5 kilometer in 1 hour. We have to find the distance in 3.5 hours. Distance in 3.5 hours, it will be equal to 8.5 multiplied by this, and this will be equal to 29.75 kilometers when they are in the opposite direction. Now we take when they are in the same direction. This is the first person, this is the second person, first person, this is the second person, this is their speed, and after 1 hour they will be apart at a distance of 0.5 kilometer. After 1 hour distance apart, it will be equal to this minus this. This is the distance apart after 1 hour. This distance after 1 hour, and we have to find the distance after 3.5 hours. multiplying this by distance apart after 3.5 hour, it will be equal to this multiply by this 7 by 2. Here we will get this is equal to, on solving we will get this kilometer, 1.75 kilometer apart after 3.5 hours. Now this was the topic. How failed this topic? If you like, and share this topic also, and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.